Hello everyone and welcome to Owasco Volkswagen. My name is Saeed Fazal and today is the day that I'm going to show you how to use your 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan. Alrighty, so this is how we're going to set up our Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to the new vehicle. First thing you want to do is just check into your apps. From here you're going to select App Connect. Now, depending on the kind of cell phone you have, you can decide to go with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. In today's case, we're going to do Android Auto. After you've done that, it is going to give you the name of your device, and then you will go to your cellular device, pair new device, and we are going to wait until that name pops up on our phone. I've got it right here as my VW 1568. On the screen, we're going to hit yes. On my cell phone, we're going to hit pair. And then every pop-up that comes, we're going to hit OK. And now we've got our Android Auto fully selected on the onboard screen. Now from here, you've got the selection to use your own cellular maps or any other app that you may find use of. On the 2025 Tiguan, you've got a fully customizable digital cockpit, which you have multiple different screen options as well as different setups that you can have for while you're driving. In order to get through all your different screen options, all you have to do is just navigate the view button through your steering wheel. So click view, and you got all these different screen configurations. Now there's more. If you want to set up different icons and items on each side of the screen, we can just use our two arrow buttons on the right side of the steering wheel to select what we have. So for in this case, on the left side, I'm going to hit the arrow and I will select what I like the most. So in this case, we can have our operating temperatures at the left side. And then on the right side, we can select compass, our destination info. You can have settings, or you can just leave it with no display. In this case, I'm going to leave my navigation on. "2025 Tiguan Highline, fully customizable and multi-option massaging seats for both driver and as well as your passenger." Moving on to the screen, just hit the top left corner to get your app screen. We're going to go to seats and we're going to select the driver. I can change the duration of my massage, also the intensity of the massage as well. I'm going to change the program because today I want circle massaging on my back or passenger side. Now, duration for my passenger, we're going to change it to 20 minutes level. They don't like it too intense. And then for the actual massage type, we're going to do upward strokes. In your brand new Tiguan now, you've got a rotary dial that selects 3 different things. Now, with this, we can change the volume of our audio just by turning the dial on the outside. You also got 2 different features that this can select by clicking down. On the screen will give you a pop-up to change your different drive modes, which you can select through digitally, or you can twist the dial and select which one. Another thing you can do with this rotary dial is change the atmospheres and the ambient lighting of your vehicle. With turning the dial, you can select through all the different options, and in this case, we like the Joy. With the new technology in the Tiguan here, everything pretty much is touch. So to open our visor, all you have to do is one swift swipe back and the visor opens all the way. The greatest thing is you can stop it at any time by just making the opposite direction swipe. On the new Tiguan, everything for your climate control is on the screen. Very simple to get to. You just touch the climate control here. You can change your fan speed. You can change your temperatures by just clicking the temperature and swiping. Or you can do it right down on this touch screen selection. It also controls your volume as well as your passenger side climate control. We got your rear defrost, front AC max. We've got heated steering wheel, rear defrost, front defrost, smart climate control to select different types of air coming from different areas, as well as you've got your air care to recycle all the air in the vehicle. If you're wondering how to put this vehicle in drive, well, very simple. Just put your foot on the brake, and with this new shifting system, all you have to do is turn the dial to drive. You can pull it back from neutral, back to reverse, and if you'd like your standard mode, just do a double click forward. The 2025 Tiguan has a wireless cell phone charger with a clip to hold your phone in place, as well as 2 micro USB ports to charge other cell phones as well. The 2025 Tiguan comes with your very own voice assistant. Watch. Hello, Ida. Can you please turn the temperature on the passenger side to 22 degrees?
All right, I'm setting the temperature in the right front area to 22.0 degrees.
Hello, Ida. Can you please put the volume up?
Okay, media playback is now unmuted.
There are a few functions in this vehicle that you can set up right from the onboard dash. For instance, the hands-free tailgate. Easy to do. We're gonna go into our app section. We're gonna select the vehicle. And on this section here, we're already at the exterior of the vehicle. Now, we're gonna swipe over. Easy open function is for your trunk. We wanna make sure it's selected on or selected off as we wanna use it. The 2025 Tiguan Easy Open Trunk Lid function is super easy to use. Now watch. Just like that.